Good day guys, welcome back to Kotlin programming. In this video we will discuss about the different operators in Kotlin and how to use them. So let's start with the mathematical operators. So we have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo, and also the parentheses. So how are we going to use them? Let's use them and declare the variable. So var age is equals to 5 plus 10. Var deduction is equals to 500 minus 150. Var square is equals to 2 times 2. Var quotient is equals to 10 divided by 3. And var remainder is equals to 10 modulo 3. So let's print it one by one. So print line age. Okay, so let's run the program. So it is basically an elementary math operations. It's just addition, 5 and 10, subtraction, we minus the 150 to 500, and in square we just multiply the 2 to itself, and we have the quotient which we divide 10 to 3, which is 3, and the remainder is discarded. Then we have the modulo operator, which gets the remainder on a division operation. That is why the result here is 1. So the remainder of 10 divided by 3 is 1. Then we have the parentheses that can change how the mathematical operators work in sequence. Let's look at this expression. Let's say we want to get the average of 3 numbers. So if we do this, var average is equal to 98.7 plus 89.90 plus 76.90 divided by 3. We get an incorrect result because the division operator is higher than the addition, so it will be executed first. So it will be 76.90 divided by 3 first, and then it will be added to 98.7 and 89.90. So, but if we use the parentheses and group the terms that we need to be added like this, so added a parenthesis, open and close parenthesis here. So whatever operations that is inside the parenthesis, that will be executed first before dividing it by 3. Next, we have the increment and decrement operators. The increment and decrement operator will add or deduct a value of 1 respectively. So if we do this, var height is equal to 10 and we print it. We will still get 10. So we assume that the height will become 11. But one of the nuances of using this is that when you use the increment and decrement operator, it will take effect whether it is used before or after the variable. So if the operator is used after the variable, the last value of that variable will be evaluated before incrementing it. That's why we see 10. But if we change it to this, plus height, the variable will be incremented first before evaluating it and printed. That is why we will not see the 11. So the same for the decrement operator. We can increment also a variable using an augmented version of mathematical operators. So let's say you want to increment the value of 5. We can do this. Var my number is equals to 5. My number plus equals to 5. You can do this also on other mathematical operators. Next is the logical operators. We have another data type in Kotlin called boolean. To declare a boolean, we can do this. Var is okay is equals to true. Basically, boolean can contain only one of two values, which is a true or a false. Now we can use the logical operator and use its result as a value for our boolean variable. Let's say var has money, boolean is equals to true. Var has time, boolean is equals to false. Var is okay to chill is equals to has money and has time. So here I use the operator which consists of double ampersand sign. The AND operator will return to true if all the operands are true, otherwise it is false. So if you print it, it's okay to chill, we have a true value. And then we have also the OR, which is the operator double vertical bars. The OR operator will return true if there is one true, otherwise it is false. So the last one is the NOT operator or the exclamation. So it is used to reverse the truthfulness of a boolean value. If the value is true, it will become false and vice versa. So print not has money. So if the value of has money is true, it becomes false. Next is the equality operators. So we have is equal to, which is the double equal sign. We have less than or equal to, or less than or equal to sign. So these operators will also return a boolean values. So let's try. So var grade is equal to 90. Var is pass is equals to grade is greater than or equal to 75. We can use the equality operators with the logical operators like this. Var is pass is equals to grade is greater than or equals to 75, and grade is less than 100. So here I just have created a range. So to use the equality operator, var num1 is equal to 100, var num2 is equal to 100. So let's see, num1 is equals to num2. So the result is true. So we also have the reference equality operator, the triple equal sign for and or for equal to, and the exclamation point and double equal sign for not equal to. So referential equality is checked by the triple equals operation, and then it is negated counterpart. So A triple equals to P evaluates to true if and only if A and B point to the same object. So that is how to use the operators in Kotlin. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just feel free to write it on the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel to be up to date on these tutorials. See you guys.